Good morning, traders. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to look at trading two markets at the same time using the same method, the Trade Scalper, and see what happens, the outcome. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. I get a lot of emails. Some traders want to trade the E-mini S&P. Some traders want to trade the NASDAQ. Other traders want to do the Dow, the crude oil, even the Euro bonds. So I decided to do instead here at the same time two markets. The E-mini is on the left, the NASDAQ is on the right. I'm going to let it play out. This is the Trade Scalper program. You can do it manually if you want to do it without the software. I have the software added to NinjaTrader charts, so you can see there the previous long entries on the E-mini as well as on the NASDAQ. Now another thing is the signals do not get repainted or they don't disappear. So the signals that you're seeing here, if you have the Trade Scalper software or the roadmap or the Atlas line, they actually stay on your chart and you can go back in history and you can see them. So these signals are the exact same signals and entries for everybody using the Trade Scalper program. I'm not going to bore you guys with too much talk. We're just going to let this be, and I'm going to add here the text and marker for both. That way we can actually see where I entered and where the exit is going to be. The NASDAQ, as you can see here on the right, does not have a stop and does not have a profit target. And the reason for that is I didn't add it, try to do it really quickly, but I didn't put the ATM strategy, which actually allows the target and the stop to be placed automatically. I kind of rushed into it. I wanted to get filled. I didn't really even get a very good fill on the NASDAQ. I got a good fill on the E-mini, but I didn't get too much of a, I got a little bit of slippage here on the NASDAQ on the right. The ATR in the bottom, average true range, tells me more or less what I can expect as far as a target. And now I'm going to let it play out, put a little music to it. Let's see what happens. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we're pushing now 800 videos, I believe, on the YouTube channel with subscribers every day. So if you like and enjoy these videos, visit Daytradetowin.com and let's get going.
have a life. Don't take no more from me. I'm free. You're beached on the shore like me. Can't take no more. Don't know what you're waiting for. It's not like I've been here before, like me. Can't take no more. Don't know what you're waiting for. It's not like I've been here before, like me, like me.
All right, everyone. So at this point on the left, it's about $500. E-mini S&P on the right, it's also about $500 or $600 on the NASDAQ. That's more than enough. We can close out these positions, and tomorrow's another day. Remember to avoid over trading. Remember to use your stops. Join the accelerated mentorship, which includes the Trade Scalper, and I'll see everyone at the next class. Now, if you want to learn more, we have a free member account available at Daytradetowin.com. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel and email us anytime if you have any questions. If you're new to trading, let's make sure that this is right for you.